Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the 8th problem from the exercise 4.1. Let us observe question. Simplify 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. Here, if you observe this question, we can notice that the powers of this all is a negative. So, first thing that we need to do is we need to make this negative powers into positive powers by using the formula, that is, if a by b whole to the power of minus n given to us, this can be written as b by a whole to the power of positive n. By using this formula, I can write this all the powers into positive powers by taking the reciprocal of this all bases. So reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3 whole to the power of 2 divided by, this is what reciprocal of 4 by 5, that is 5 by 4 whole to the power of 3 whole into, this is 5 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 becomes a positive 2. Here negative power we made into positive power by taking the reciprocal of the base. Now what we need to do here, this division sign is there, so this division sign we need to divide these two fractions. Whenever we need to divide two fractions, instead of division we need to do the multiplication with the reciprocal of it. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 4 again? 4 by 5 whole cube. This into 5 by 3 whole to the power of positive 2. Here this power should be applicable for the both numerators and denominators. So this can be written as 4 square by 3 square into 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square into by 3 square. Now what we need to do, we need to observe this 4 square into 4 cube, that is equal to 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 into here 5 square by 5 cube into here 3 square into 3 square, that is 3 to the power of 2 plus 2. Here what formula that we applied? We applied that a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. By using this formula we can write it. Now this can be written as 4 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 2 minus 3 by 3 to the power of 4. This can be written as 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4. Here 5 to the power of minus 1 we will get, that we can write it as 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So from this we can write this answer as a 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5. This is our final answer.